Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you'll be doing well. So, finally, we have completed our present tense active voice, and now we are going to start from a different topic, that is writing letters. So, we are going to start our letters from letter number 6. So, before discussing the letter, we're going to discuss the format of writing the letter. So, let's get started. Dear students, as you know that we have two kinds of letter, formal letter and informal letter. But in the board format, we consider informal and formal letter, the format in terms of format, almost the same. So where there is any difference, I'll be keep you letting know. So now, as we start the letter from writing examination hall, we never write any place or any indication that actually shows the recognition of the student. So, examination hall, punctuations are very important while writing a letter. So, punctuation will be followed city ABC, and again a dot will be put. Then, format of writing the date should remain the same. There are 2 to 3 different format of writing date, but this is the most recommended one, and this is also written in your book. So better follow that. Then give a little space between date and salutation. Then, dear friend, brother, or father, or whatever is the topic, according to that, you can write the salutation. Now, the thing is that is to remember, you need to keep the first letter capital of dear and the first letter capital of whatever relationship you're writing. Do not write any particular name or any particular recognition. Better to write just relation that is asked in the title of the letter. Then starts the body, and it's also recommended that you should write the complete letter in 2 or 3 paragraphs, at least 2 paragraphs, and maximum it can be 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you can write the introduction and body of the letter, and in the second paragraph, you can write the closure of the letter, and you can do it vice versa as well, that in first paragraph you can just write the introduction, and in the second paragraph you can write the body, and you can make another paragraph to write the closure. But it should not be done the way that the all letter is written in the same paragraph. This is not be recommended. Then you have to leave a line again, or leave a little space. If you have a sheet of narrow lines, then you have to leave a line, and if you have a sheet of broad space, broad lines, then you do not need to leave a line. It just shows that you have to show keep a little space between both of the lines. So at the end, this is called the signature basically. So signature can be written in very different words according to the title of the writer, title of the letter, as yours affectionately, sincerely, truly. It depends on to which relation you're writing letter to. If you're writing a letter to your friend, so the most appropriate would be affectionately or sincerely, and if truly could also be fit in that case, and at the end you write the name. As you are writing letter for your examination purpose, so you definitely will not reveal your name. So you will write the code language in that case. So XYZ is the proper code for that, and you will not uh, put the comma following it or put the dot following it. There should not be any punctuation after the name. This is the format of writing an informal and formal letter. So, dear students, I have discussed the format of the letter in detail with you, and in the following lectures, I'll be only discussing the letter with you. If you want to get to know the format of the letter in detail, then you need to keep in touch with this video. So let's get started with the letter number 6. So the title of the letter is To Your Brother About the Importance of the Study of Science Subjects. Now you will not follow this format at all. You will follow the format that I have told you, and you will start it from the body of the letter. I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health and spirits. आप अच्छे नेक इरादों से होंगे, अच्छी सेहत में होंगे. You have now been promoted to class 9. It is time for you to decide whether you would like to study humanities or science subjects. अब वो वक्त आ चुका है कि आप फैसला लें कि आपको humanities यानी humanities usually is considered with arts subject or science subjects. The world has progressed very much in the field of science. दुनिया बहुत आगे निकल चुकी है साइंस की फील्ड में. If we want to keep pace with it, अगर हम इसके साथ कदम मिलाकर चलना चाहते हैं, we must keep our knowledge of science up to date. तो हमें अपना जो साइंसी नॉलेज है या साइंसी मालूमात है वो up to date रखनी होंगी. Everyone should know the basics of science, so I would advise you to study science at least up to matriculation level. हर किसी को साइंस की बुनियादी चीज़ों के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, तो मैं आपको यही नसीहत करूँगा या करूँगी कि आप कम से कम 10वीं जमात तक साइंस को ही पढ़ें. And then comes the closure, and you can see that closure is in this separate line. The closure can be more than one line as well. It depends upon the way you're writing the letter. So convey my salam to your friends, and then comes the signature, the ending, that is yours affectionately, and you need to keep this letter small. You're not, as we kept the letter capital in dear friend, that was a salutation. So now you need to keep this letter small to keep a difference or to maintain the difference. And this whole phrase will be followed by a comma, the punctuation, that is again very important. And then comes the ending, and you will not write your name, you'll only write the code, that is XYZ, without any punctuation following it. So that is it for today, dear students. Hope you would have understood. It's important to keep the format in your mind, because the 30 to 40% marks are only dedicated to the format. So if you are following the format properly, you are gaining maximum marks as you can. So take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.